If your business only shows up in Google search results, you're already behind. Today, your customers aren't just searching on Google. They're asking AI platforms like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and Copilot, "Who's the best air conditioning company near me? What's a good marketing agency in my city? Who should I call for roof repair?" And here's the problem. If AI doesn't recognize your business as trustworthy, relevant, and established, it won't mention you at all. So how do you fix that? Let's break it down into 5 practical steps. First, build topical authority on your website. AI platforms pull information from structured, informative content. If your site only has service pages and a contact form, you're invisible. You need educational content that answers real customer questions in depth. Pricing, comparisons, common problems, buying guides. Second, strengthen your entity signals. AI models look for consistency across the web. That means your business name, address, phone number, and services must match everywhere. Your website, Google Business Profile, local directories, industry listings. Inconsistent data weakens your credibility. Third, earn high-quality mentions and backlinks. AI systems favor businesses that are cited by trusted websites, local news sites, industry publications, Chamber of Commerce pages. These act like votes of confidence. Fourth, optimize for conversational search. People don't type keywords into AI. They ask full questions. Instead of targeting Plumber Dallas, create content like, "How much does it cost to fix a burst pipe in Dallas?" That's how AI understands and recommends you. And fifth, keep your digital footprint fresh. Update your site regularly. Add FAQs. Publish new content. Keep reviews coming in. AI platforms favor businesses that look active and current. Here's the big takeaway. AI visibility is the new SEO. If your business isn't structured for AI discovery, you won't just lose rankings, you'll lose recommendations. And recommendations are where buying decisions happen. The businesses that adapt now will dominate local markets over the next 5 years. The ones that don't, they'll wonder why the phone stopped ringing. If you want your business to show up more in AI platforms, start implementing these steps today. Or work with a team that understands how AI search really works. The future of visibility isn't coming. It's already here.